Greetings, I'm Kathy with Farm to Family. I'm here on site to show you how last week's rogue blizzard twisted and broke our greenhouse and dropped trees and branches onto our perimeter fencing. As you can see, the crib walls of this structure still stand, and so do the tables inside. We did, however, have some damage to the fans, but it's too dangerous to go inside to determine the full extent of the damage. Our microclimate here on the Northern California coastal mountains provides a very short growing season of only 4 months. We depend on this greenhouse to extend our season to 8 months. We are a tiny family farm with only me growing produce for Mendocino County. This tragic event could put an end to our produce farm. Our only option is to reach out for financial contributions. We have volunteers ready to help fix our greenhouse and our fencing, but we need your help to fund it. With your generous contributions, we can fix this greenhouse and we can save our produce farm. Thank you in advance for your contributions. We'll provide you with updates of our progress. Thanks again for helping us save our farm.